Okay, hello everybody. Welcome back to Zul Studio channel. Today, I'm going to make a exterior model in this session. So let's get started. First, as usual, I wanna make a mesh study for studying the composition and the proportion. First step, I will make mark for our first mesh. I think I'm gonna make a simple box for our first mesh, maybe 400 centimeter, and then the length for depth, let's put it I think maybe 400 again, and then 100 it's gonna be our structure maybe, but let's see. And then 300, and then 300 again. So it's gonna be our first mesh. Let's pull it for 300. Okay, make group, and then next I think I'm gonna make kinda second mesh. So this is gonna be a pathway or something separating the first mesh to the second mesh. I think I'm gonna put 270 centimeter, and then mark again. 350 centimeter, and let's make a second mesh right here, and then make a line to our first mesh. Make it group, of course. Then I want to put the third mesh here above this both of our mesh. Let's make a box here and make it 300 also. Let's add 50. I think it's gonna be a better proportion if we add 50, and then we have to offset maybe 120, and also to the front like this. Then here I think we have to offset again for unity, so we have a same design language for this building. Okay, like this. Make it group. Oops, no. Make it group. Okay, then we have to offset this, of course, 120 also. And then let's extend this thing. No. I think we need a third mesh here. So let's make another pathway. Let's make same from this 270 centimeter. Let's mark it 270 like this. And then the third mass, let's make it 400 like another mass. Make a simple box and align with this mass like this. Align again into this. Okay. Okay. Looks good so far. Or I think we need to lower this mesh because it looks very flat here, but I don't know. Okay, let's jump to the next mesh. It's still okay for now. Oh, okay, let's make the path that I mentioned before. It should be like this. And then thickness, okay, let's put it 15 centimeter for now. And then extend, wait, make it group and then make another path here for our third 1 2 3 4 mesh. Make it 15 centimeter, make it group, and then I think I want to make a pool here, so let's extend this path like this, and then like this. It's gonna be the floor, and then pull this mesh into the ground, so this is gonna be level to the ground. And then I wanna make a second level like this. It's gonna be pool, I think. Let's make it 150. Then make it long 500. Make it group, and then offset again or pull again for 400 like this. And okay, I think we need to separate this pool. I will make it like this, and then copy again, push it here, and then make the path into this area. Okay, and then extend this building to here. Okay, I think that looks better. And then let's add this path, extend this building. Okay, okay, this looks nice like this. Yeah, and then extend this this floor, this level 270 to lock this pool. Yeah, yeah, that's nice. Okay, so this is gonna be our pool. So let's combine union this solid. Okay, and then offset 10 centimeter. Okay, and then push it for 10 centimeter, sorry, 15, like this I think. And then I want to make a second level for the pool, like this, and then push it for 120. So we have a second level for this pool, maybe this one for only sitting area, but still water here. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. I think we need to make a scene for help us to reset the model. Maybe I think maybe it's right here. Okay, camera to point. Wait. I think we need 4 to 5 field of view, so make it wider. Camera to point. Okay. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay, I will keep this scene. Let's add the scene like this, and then of course turn off the animation because it's very annoying. So we can moving around and then back to the scene. That's it. Very helpful. Okay, next let's detail this mask. So I think I want to make opening here. Let's make opening. I will make it here, and then 100 here, also 100 here, and then 250 opening. Sorry, 250. Okay, like this. Okay, and then push it for 300. And then make this into another room. I think I want to make it a smaller opening. So let's take this midpoint, or let's make it, where's the midpoint? Come on. Okay, right here. And let's make it and align with this. Okay, and the next, I want to also make this opening. So I want to make it 100 here, 100 here, and then 250. Okay. and then also here that's gonna be maybe dining room or restaurant. So let's make a mark 100 here, and then 250. Well, I think we need structure here, so let's align with this mesh and then make another structure here. Okay, make a hole. Uh, 85. I want to make this room big, so let's add, no, it's enough. Okay, and then up here first I think I want to make a kind of room here, 15, and then 345, and then 15 centimeter for concrete plate. Okay, and then let's make a window here. So it should be access to this rooftop. I think I want to make kind of planter box here. Maybe it's 60 to 60. Yeah, and then height 45 centimeter. So it's gonna be kind of planter box here. Make it component. Okay, 60 to 60. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Our planter box and also the railing. So with this planter box we have a guide to make line here, and then to make it equal and symmetry I want to make a mark also 45 centimeter from here, and then let's align with this mesh. So now we have a guide for making opening. Okay. Wait, I think we need to make the opening until here for window, and then this for door opening. Okay, let's make the hole right here and then push it into showing the interior. Okay, yeah, and then draw a line here to push until the ground level. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so there's gonna be a window and door. Okay, that's it. That's our entire mess. Next, I think I wanna detail every building. Let's start from this building. That's gonna be a simple window right here. Make it glass. Make a thickness for the glass. Make it group, and then put the glass material here. Let's pick this default glass. Okay, and then move it for 100. Okay, and then I think I want to offset this for 10 centimeter for 2 centimeter gap for gypsum material right here. It looks not realistic, so let's make it modular. I want to make a support structure for this glass, like make it 10 to 10 centimeter like this. Pull for 1 centimeter and then pull it all the way to the ground and make it component. And then give it a default glass and copy to here and then push slash button and then make it 4 part. Okay, delete this, we don't need. Okay, nice. And then let's make it access to the room. So let's copy 100 and then push it. Okay, that's it. And then also we need to make a offset for gypsum or for transition material. Yeah, like this. Okay, nice. So we have the access to the room right here. Beautiful. And then also I want to make a glass here. Wait, it should be floor here. Yeah. Okay. Then let's make a glass here. Make it 1 centimeter thickness. Make it group and then move it for 30 centimeter. Looks great. And then give it default glass material. Okay. So I think we need a support structure here. Let's take it and then put it in the middle. Okay. And then offset for material transition. Yeah. 2 centimeter. Okay. It looks weird. Let's move it 30 centimeter. And let's add another 10 centimeter. Okay, it looks better now. And then I want to leave it open. Maybe I just wanna make a material transition for the ceiling, 10 centimeter, and then 2 centimeter gap, like this. And then make another one here, offset for 2 centimeter. Okay. The next, this upper building or the second story, let's make a window frame. I think it's gonna be looks good for a wood frame, but I don't know for the material for now. So let's make the window frame first. I'm gonna make it from here. Let's make a thickness maybe 4 centimeter. Okay, make group, not components, group. Okay, and then move it for 10 centimeter is enough. Okay. And by the way, I don't want to focus on interior. I just want to focusing on exterior. So it's not going to be detail on this interior. I'm focusing on exterior. So let's continue for this window frame. Let's offset this for 4 centimeter also. I wanna make it kind of thick. I think we need another 2 centimeter. That's too small. So it's 6, another 2. Okay, make it group. And then I want to make another support frame, 4 centimeter also. Make it let's make it group. Then I think I want to put it 120. Yeah, then make a support /2 like this one, and that's gonna be a glass material. Make the thickness, make it group, and then yeah, put the glass material here, of course. And then the second window right here. Don't forget to make a thickness. No, I think the thickness should be 3 because that's gonna be a solid material, not a glass, but I still don't know. Just put it here. I think we have to edit this support. This looks weird. This looks too thick. We need to make it slim. Well, now is 4 centimeter, so let's make it 2 centimeter. Okay. Yeah, that looks better. And then this for window frame, door frame, sorry. Let's make the frame. Let's take the reference from this existing frame, push it to the left side, and then pull it to the ground or to the floor. Sorry. Make it group and offset 4 centimeter. Push it to the floor, and then that's it. We have a door frame. Let's make it group and then make a door module. That's gonna be 2 door module like this, 4 centimeter and then 8 centimeter. Because it's gonna be solid door. Make it component. Oh, sorry. Make it component and then push it for 2 centimeter for transition for the different material. Then copy to the right side and then move it 2 centimeter. So we have this gap, which is very nice in rendering pace. Okay, that's the building. Now let's move to the pool area. Let's make a water surface here. Make it group and then bring it 5 centimeter from the surface. Also make another face. Okay. Make it group and then combine these two faces into one group and then explode it inside the group. So we can have one face for the pool. Don't forget to put water material, but unfortunately we don't have any water surface material in SketchUp 2025, so let's use this sky reflection glass to make a difference between a normal glass and the pool texture. Okay, let's move to main building material. I think I want to put a stone material. Let's see what we have here. That's bad. We don't have stone material. I think we need to import it, or we can search from the SketchUp 3D warehouse. Where is it? Extension 3D warehouse layout. This one. Let's see for stone. To the material. Okay. Let's put the. Okay, let's see. Texture map. That's already the map here, which is very good. We can choose. Let's try another keyword. Variable. No, that's a bad keyword. Let's back to the stone. I think we can use maybe this one looks good. Let's see. Oh, that looks odd. We need more random. Let's back. Back to the material section. Let's try stone brick. Oh, that looks very bad. The pixel is too small. Stone or maybe paving. I think I want to take this one. There is already PBR. We have normal map, metalness and roughness, but we don't need that because I'm gonna edit this thing in from render engine. So let's download this thing and then apply it to the main building mesh. That looks too big. We need to scale it down. Let's edit the texture and then scale it down. Let's try half. It means 60. That looks bad. The tiling effect is showing. You can see in the screen. That's really bad. Let's make it bigger. Let's try 80 or 100. Yeah. And I want to make it darker because it looks too white. So we need to edit the color, make it darker a little bit. That's too dark. Yeah, I think that's enough. And then let's apply to another building. And then the second story, I think I want to use plaster material. Let's see, maybe we have good plaster here. I think this one looks good. But we need to adjust the color because it's too dark. Then we need to scale up. Unfortunately we can edit the default material, I think. Let's make it 2 times bigger. Still not. Okay, and then change the color, make it brighter until equal to white. Little bit yellow, it's okay. And a little bit cream. We need darker on the first story building. Let's make it darker a little bit, and then mute the color until it looks more gray. Okay, we still need to make it darker. Maybe in render engine should be looks better. And then the floor, I think we need to make it more contrast for this floor. Let's see the stone. I think gray marble maybe looks good. Let's see from a 3D warehouse. And then search for gray marble. I think this one looks okay. Let's put these things. Make it bigger, scale up the texture. Okay. And then for the pool, let's use the plaster. But I wanna make it white, so let's edit the color. Okay. And then next we have this planter box. I think we need a wood material, a wood plank. Let's see, maybe we have something here. Let's try this wood. No, that looks bad. We need a plank, I think. We need a plank, so we have to search the material from this 3D warehouse. Let's see for wood plank. Yeah, this one looks good. Yeah, we'll take this and then apply to this planter box. Texture is too big. Let's scale it down. $60, 80. Okay, that looks better. And then don't forget to offset. 5 cm is enough. Then push it for 10 cm. And then let's put ground material. Five centimeter, 10 centimeter depth. This texture looks weird, so we have to change the direction. We have to make a line for every corner. and then we can change the texture direction using this plugin. The plugin name is Enero Texture Position, like this. Just a simple click. Then we have to adjust on another planter box to make the texture more realistic. Oops. Okay. Now that looks better, and we need the same material for the floor. Also apply on this room, and then next we have to apply material for this window. So we need another wood plank material, but we have to apply different material because it's for a window. Let's see for another wood plank. That looks bad. That looks too old. How about wood deck? That looks weird. Wood floor. No, that's still bad. Wood cladding should be better, I think. No? Come on. Okay. Western red. I think this one looks good. Let's download it. And then apply for this surface. I want the direction like this. Okay, that's nice. And then this one also. Okay, beautiful. And then let's put wood material for the frame. I want to make it little red and change the direction, of course. Apply for every frame and support frame. Oops, we need to adjust this one. Let's make a line to make a boundary for adjusting the texture position. Let's change the direction. Okay, now that looks better and looks nice. And apply for this frame also. Okay. Rotate, and then right here also rotate. Okay, that's beautiful. Don't forget to this one. Oops. We only select this frame. and also adjust the direction of the texture. Okay. Oops. It should be this one. To adjust. Okay. Okay. That's our building. Looks beautiful, I think. Next step, we need to make the environment. So let's make the environment before our final result. So this is the final result. As you can see on the screen, I have detail and add this ground for maybe I want to putting chair here, and this is the black white version. You can see through the building. Okay, that's the final result. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.